Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today we're going to talk about two different rebate apps, Swagbucks and MyPoints. I know when I first started these apps, I didn't really have any much clarity on them, and I was confused. So I didn't do these for like 4 years into my couponing. I just picked them up last year, and I really regret not doing them before because they're really great apps. So I want to make it really simple for you all to understand these apps. Swagbucks and MyPoints. They are owned by the exact same company, so yeah, there is some different specifications we're going to talk about. But the first thing I want to clarify is you cannot upload the same receipt to both apps. I see so many breakdowns here on YouTube and Instagram telling you to do that. You are not allowed to take a receipt, upload it on MyPoints, and then turn around and upload that same one on Swagbucks. That is a big no-no. So keep in mind, we'll talk more about that in a little bit. But there are multiple ways you can earn on MyPoints, but I truly only recommend the in-store offers. But you can, do deals and surveys, and you can print some coupons and stuff, but I don't think it's worth it. So I'd recommend the in-store offers. And here's how you do the in-store offers. You buy the items with the specified thing. You upload the receipt, which I'll show you in a second how to do, and you get the points. It's that plain, that simple, not difficult at all. So there are tons of various offers here on MyPoints. There's Armor All, AC Pro, more Armor All, Soylent. Some of them are online offers, so pay attention to that. There's the Pop Chips deal, Coogies, whatever those are. And then the Coffee Mate. I just did the Coffee Mate a couple days ago. And there's some Best Buy stuff there too, which I wish I would have known that when I bought my computer. But here's the Coffee Mate deal. So as you can see here, buy 1, get 400 points. Buy 2, get 800 points. Buy 3, get 1,200 points. And buy 4, get 2,000 points. In a little bit, we'll talk about what these points actually equate to. So, yeah, it specifies what store you have to do it at. It specifies the products that you buy it on. And as you can see there, points can only be earned once. Not all products are available in all Walmart stores. And you have to, you can't go uploading it on other rebate apps too. You can't upload the same receipt. It tells you the days you have to do it, the times, all that stuff. And just important little information like that. So you might be wondering, how do I upload my receipt? Let me show you how to do that. So here it said have a receipt. I clicked yes, and it says upload. So basically I do this on the desktops. I just airdrop for my iPhone the copy of the receipt. You can email it to yourself or whatever you want to do. And you will browse on your computer, pull up that receipt, and just click on the receipt from your desktop. It'll show up and just say upload. And you'll just click upload. And they'll review your receipt. And it's that plain and simple. It's really easy. So just get the receipt on your computer, click upload, find the file, and that's all. That's all that you do. So now let's talk about what these are worth. So this is an American Eagle gift card I pulled up. You can get tons of gift cards. Walmart, Amazon, huge list. But as you can see here, $5 is 790 points, $10, 1580, $25 is 3970, $50, 7940, and $100 is 15870. There is a math equation for how to do this. So basically what you need to do is take that $5, divide it by the 790. That gives you 0.006 per monetary point. Per point, that's what it's worth. Multiply by the amount of points you're getting back. So if you bought 4 of the coffee, you get back 2,000 points. It comes to $12.66 is the equivalent of what you would get back from MyPoints. So yeah, but you can just cash out for your gift cards. Literally just click up at the top right corner, redeem points, and it'll bring you to the gift cards you can redeem. There's a little button, I didn't click on it. It says show gift cards I can afford. That's nice. It'll just link out what you can afford. So now we're on Swagbucks. And Swagbucks is very, very similar, except there's one little thing that's really, really cool on here, is that 100 points equals $1. It's that simple. So it's not random amounts like MyPoints. It's literally for every 100 points on Swagbucks, that is equal to $1. So let me show you an example of that. So it's a lot harder to find offers here, but there's the Coffee Mate. It showed up. I had to scroll around for a little while. But the Coffee Mate deal is showing up. So it's loading. Swagbucks is kind of slow. Okay, so there it was. Earn 1,800 Swagbucks. It's the same specifications. So 1,800 Swagbucks is $18. If you remember on MyPoints, it was only worth $12.66. So Swagbucks is giving back a ton more money on this coffee creamer, which is insane. And it's only at Walmart. It has the same specifications. You can't upload the same receipt on both apps. All that easy stuff there to deal with. So to upload your receipt on here, you have to click that little icon that says add to list. It shows up on your offer list, and then you click upload receipt. It'll ask you where you shopped, so you'll just click on Walmart. As you can see, it took me a little bit to find that. You'll click on Walmart, click next. What do you buy? Yeah, check that you bought it, and then just click upload. Upload your receipt, and that's it. Really, really simple. Really simple. So the gift cards are easier to understand here. So a 300 Swagbucks gift card, that's $3. So it's that easy. You can get it out to Amazon, Walmart, Target, anywhere. It's really simple. And as you can see, they have surveys too, but this is why I say it's not worth it. Do a 16-minute survey, you'll earn $1. That's not really worth it in my book. They have videos you can watch. Same with MyPoints. You can shop online, which I don't think you can do that on MyPoints. I'm pretty sure you cannot do that on MyPoints, but you can on Swagbucks. They have bonus offers. So like on Amazon, $5 bonus if you shop out of these departments. Like 3% back on luxury grooming and 4% back on jewelry and just random stuff like that. So it might be worth to check it out. I don't usually find what I'm looking for on there for online shopping. Maybe you can. They have lots of stores though. Target, Best Buy. If you're buying a computer or something, I went in the store to do it, but you might really get a good deal there. You can sign up for Hulu, you get some points. Lots of random stuff. Videos, like that's stupid. Earn 200 or earn 2 Swagbucks points. If you watch 15 videos, that's 2 cents. You can play games. So instead if you play 10 games of this solitaire, you get 13.25 in points. So that isn't so bad. That's a lot of solitaire, but maybe if that's that life you're about. Popular videos, lots of random stuff like that on Swagbucks that you could take advantage of. Okay, so I know I said Swagbucks is a lot better, but I would honestly urge you to sign up for both. Here's why. Because if you sign up for MyPoints and Swagbucks, you could have done that coffee deal twice. So you could have done it on MyPoints one day, went back and did it on Swagbucks the next. You could have done the deal twice, which is awesome. If you're going to sign up, I would strongly encourage you to sign up using my referral codes. I will have the links to those down in the description box below. Just sign up. It'll have the link, and I'll get some credit, and you'll get, credit, and it'll all be awesome. So as you can see right here, this little diagram talks about that. It does help me out, which I know a lot. There's some people who think people who ask for referrals are ridiculous, but it does allow these videos to continue. It allows them to keep going. So let's look on Swagbucks. There's also referrals on there. So I'd sign up for both of them because, like I said, that coffee deal, if you wind up doing it on both apps, it's like an $8 or $6 moneymaker or something crazy. So it's awesome. But yeah, this is my referral for Swagbucks as well. Please sign up. I hope this tutorial video helped you. And if you have any more questions, feel free to ask because I'm all about helping you all out. So sign up for these apps and start getting yourself some deals. So yeah, that's all I have for now. And thank you so much for watching.